Welcome back to our next help video on 6C9. In our first question here on this video, we're going to take a look at the iodine tribromide molecule. It has one iodine as the central atom with 7 electrons, 3 bromines, each with 7 is 21. Iodine and bromine are both in Roman 7. 7 and 21, we have 28 electrons to work with. Generally, when we write this one, the atom by itself, the first atom here, is the central atom. They all only need one bond, but it turns out that the iodine will be making more than one bond here. It will be bonding with each of the 3 bromines and forming an expanded octet, which is okay. Iodine's third level on down. It has a D, so it can be expanded. So iodine will be in the middle, and we'll surround it with 8 electrons and attach the bromine. So here's our iodine surrounded with 8. Now we'll begin attaching the bromines or bromines to the molecule. Wherever there's a pair, we can put a bromine, so we can put one there. We can put one right here. And we can put a bromine down here. And we'll now count our electrons. Oh, I got to surround the bromines with 8, and then we'll count our electrons. So let's count our total electrons. Again, we are supposed to have 28 electrons. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 electrons. And then the 2 over here would be 26 electrons. We need 28. So I will add those electrons to the central atom. That is where we'll add those. We need to add another electron pair. Iodine now has 2 lone pairs on the molecule. That makes sense if we use the little halogen trick. Iodine starts with 7 electrons. It's going to make a single bond with each of the bromines. 7 minus 3 leaves it with 4 electrons. There they are. So we can double check our drawing, and we know we have it right by using that little halogen trick. It'll tell us how many electron pairs should be left over. Again, iodine starts with 7 valence electrons. It has 3 bromines on it. 7 minus 3 means there should be 4 electrons left over. There they are. Now we can replace the shared pairs with lines, and we will have our molecule Lewis structure complete. All right, so we now have our lines replacing the shared pairs. We've got our molecule ready to analyze and to determine its shape. Let's take a look at the molecule.